breaking updates also coming in on the story, because while the politics around this statement continues, we have more breaking updates coming in. Now, the BJP has questioned the stand of the India bloc. The BJP asking, do Congress, RJD, SP and the Aam Aadmi Party agree or not? This is with regard to what Mamata Banerjee said yesterday. Listen into the BJP's reaction.
पूरा देश 140 करोड़ लोग बंगाल की बेटी के लिए न्याय की मांग कर रहे हैं और उसी का प्रतिबिंब राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी के बयान में भी दिखाई देता है। परंतु दूसरी ओर ममता बनर्जी की प्राथमिकता न्याय नहीं बदला है, और एक मुख्यमंत्री जब कहती है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में आग लग जाएगी, बिहार में आग लग जाएगी, असम में आग लग जाएगी, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आग लग जाएगी, उड़ीसा में आग लग जाएगी, पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या अखिलेश यादव जी इस बयान का समर्थन करते हैं? क्या तेजस्वी यादव जी बिहार में आग लगने का समर्थन करते हैं? क्या आम आदमी पार्टी दिल्ली में आग लगने का समर्थन करती है? क्या गौरव गोगोई जी असम में आग लगा दे इसका समर्थन करते हैं? और आग कौन लगा रहा है? क्या जो न्याय मांग रहे हैं बेटी के लिए वो आग लगाने वाले हैं?
Shehzad Poonawalla joining us on the broadcast. Shehzad, Shama Mohammed of the Congress Party says, we welcome the president's statement, but the question is, why does she not speak about other issues, including Manipur and Badlapur?
Only Shama Mohammed and an Islamized Congress can question the wisdom of a person who comes from the Adivasi Samaj and has ascended to the highest position of constitution, namely the President of India. Only Shama Mohammed can do that. Shama Mohammed should know that, of course, every rape is a Jaganya Aparadh and we must talk about it. But has there been a cover-up like the cover-up that we've seen in West Bengal? Has there been a Supreme Court verdict which said that 30 years they have never seen something like this? Has there been a statement from the parents, like in the case of RG Kar, where they have come out and said that Mamata Banerjee is doing Saboot Mitao and Aparadhi Bachao, not Beti Bachao? Has there been a situation where people are not even allowed to speak and entire Nabanna is made into a fortress? 6,000 policemen are guarding Nabanna, but they were not guarding RG Kar Medical College. Has there been a situation where the FIR is filed after the post-mortem and after the Antim Sanskar, that the cremation is hurried up? So I think Shama Mohammed perhaps misses the point deliberately, because of course Congress can't stand an Adivasi person becoming a president. But having said that, maybe Rahul Gandhi, who went to Hathras, who went to Manipur, why didn't he go to Bengal? Why has he been eloquently silent after making one tweet? And yesterday Mamata Banerjee has said UP will burn, Bihar will burn, Assam will burn, Northeast will burn, Delhi will burn. Where is Akhilesh Yadav? Where is Tejaswi? Where is the Aam Aadmi Party? Are they saying that they are going to stand by the statement? This is a pro-constitution statement, aag laga denge. So I think when people are demanding nyay, Congress is looking at Upay and Ms. Mamata Banerjee is looking at Badla. This is the kind of politics India Alliance does.
Okay, all right. Shehzad, thank you for joining us. Unfortunately, Shama Mohammed not on the phone line with us. But let me go across to Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, the BJP questioning the silence of the allies of the TMC, saying the Chief Minister of a state is giving out a threat openly. She says if Bengal burns, so will Northeast, so will Uttar Pradesh, so will Delhi. And yet there's not a word of condemnation that has come in from any of the allies.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, that's the question that the BJP is asking to the other partners of the India Alliance, that what they think of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's remarks, that if the BJP try to stoke violence in the state of West Bengal, then Assam won't stop, Bihar won't stop, Odisha won't stop, Uttar Pradesh won't stop. Now the BJP has been asking the question to different opposition parties, to Akhilesh Yadav of the Samajwadi Party, to Tejaswi Yadav, what they make out of this particular remark coming in from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, whether they support it or not. See, time and again the BJP has been questioning this particular remark that has come in from Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, stating that this particular remark will incite more violence in the state of West Bengal and will support the Trinamool Congress workers more to hit on the street and target the BJP party workers and the leaders in the state of Kolkata.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi and Shreya, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Big story on Times Now. We continue getting the political reactions on that. For now, a very quick break. We'll be right back.